Agentic workloads are unpredictable by nature. Activity spikes the moment an agent launches a task or calls a tool. Infrastructure that can't keep up becomes a bottleneck. Performance degrades, costs spiral. And your team spends time managing infrastructure instead of building. Amazon OpenSearch Serverless is built from the ground up to deliver advanced search and vector capabilities for dynamic agentic workloads, instant scalability, zero infrastructure management, and no idle compute costs. So your teams focus on innovation, not operations. Instant scale compute up and down to zero. Scale capacity instantly to match demand. Whether you're running RAG applications, semantic search, or agentic workflows. Resource creation in seconds and scale compute all the way down to zero when workloads are idle. No downtime and no manual intervention. Cost efficiency with usage-based pricing. Decoupled storage and compute ensure that your requests scale independently of the amount of data stored. No overprovisioning for peak demand. No wasted spend on idle capacity. Just usage-based pricing that adapts to your workload, whether you're running a long tail of multi-tenant applications or handling sudden traffic spikes in financial services, e-commerce, or media. Accelerate your time to market. Build with OpenSearch Serverless, right from your AI dev platform. Find it in the Vercel Marketplace, follow a guided setup, and get a fully managed endpoint in minutes. Or use Kiro to provision your resources with a natural language. No console switching, no manual configuration, just code to production. Faster, high performance, instant scale, no idle costs. Power your agentic AI applications today with Amazon OpenSearch Serverless.